Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 3 different ways to locate the calendar on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application, Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, the first way we can locate the calendar is go to the top toolbar where it says View. Click on this and then navigate to the Go To section. This will allow us to select from email, calendar, people, tasks, and notes. We want to select calendar. So this will now take us directly to our calendar. Let's go back 1 to email. And now the second way to navigate into the calendar is the shortcut Command 2. There we go. Let's go back 1 again. View, go to email. And the third way to locate and navigate into your calendar is via another shortcut, which is on the bottom left corner of the screen where we have all these icons, email, calendar. So let's click on calendar and there we go. So let's go back 1, view, go to email. Let's now quit Outlook. And so that's all this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.